Don't let this happen to you. You buy a warranty for your vehicle, costs you a lot of money, and when you go to use it, you find out the repair isn't even covered. Hi, I'm Nancy at Kneble's Auto Service Center. Aftermarket warranties, they can be expensive, so make sure you know what's covered. For instance, what's the difference between a drivetrain warranty or a powertrain warranty? Drivetrain, that's defined as parts that provide power to the wheels, such as your transmission, whether it's manual or automatic, your axles, your differential, your clutch and flywheel if they apply, your drive shaft, and your torque converter. Now, a powertrain is defined as every component that make the vehicle move from the engine to the wheels. The engine, drive shaft, differential, transmission, transfer case with full wheels or all-wheel drive. But I found out in this industry, drivetrain and powertrain warranties cover the same components. They use two different words while covering those same parts. Ask questions. Make sure you understand your purchase and know what you, the customer, is responsible for. Thank you for watching.